guys, as you can tell, I just got finished drying my hair. And today I'm going to be reviewing this hair dryer. This hair dryer comes with 3 different levels of air. So you've got a low level, mid, and strong strength of wind, and then you've got a medium heat and then a high heat, and then you've got a cool setting. This hair dryer comes with this attachment that easily attaches to the top. It comes with this attachment to help straighten while you dry. This one is also for the same thing. It will help straighten. Comes with this blowing brush, and it also comes with this comb. So you guys should definitely go check this out on Amazon.